participation in this day labor?
Yeah, we are here to support for the Philippines to give us the what is this contract for the employer and the card seizure. So we are here now to support this event.
Welcome.
Yeah, thank you so